It's all mine, but sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody.
Hey beauty, so today we did soft locs. She got 30-inch locks. She ordered it, 24-hour edge tamer for the partings, and crochet water waves, 22-inch, I believe. The hair you're using to wrap, I use the crochet water wave hair only being that the locks are silky, so why not use the same hair to wrap to be silky, the same exact texture. So we're going for a full look of the soft locks. So we did medium-ish small partings. So I went through first and parted out all her hair just to make sure it's like how we wanted it. So you'll see me doing this here. So I'll be back. I'm back. So this is the finished look of the braid down. And I use black rice, Jamaican world, oil. After I put it all over, I waste a little bit, don't mind that. But it goes through, I drop it all in her hair, and then I start to massage it into her scalp. Massaging it all through. And you see equal partings. We haven't did a certain part, and it's more like curve, like not a certain type of part. So I will be showing you guys. So you put the rest up if you can, and I left out for because I'm finna install that first row. So first you get it, you open it up, the little whole piece, you open it all up as shown. You put the crochet going down, the needle goes down, not up. I'll do down so that the lock will be flat. You put it through the hole, close it, pull it up, open the hole again, or use the needle piece, and you're gonna put the person's natural hair and the lock through it and pull down. You pull their natural hair and the locks separately, as you'll see right here. See how I pulled up like that? And that's what you do. So either you can go through all of the hair and do that part, or you can go section by section. So I did section by section. So what you do is you get the crochet water wave hair. You get one. I use one. You pull, separate it out, and how I lined it up against the hair, I put it as not so much hair near her hair. I did her natural hair length, and then the rest long. So you wrap around the root at least about 4 or 5 times to make sure it holds. And you make sure that the hair is flat as you're wrapping, not like rolled up. The hair you're using to wrap, make sure it's flat as you wrap until you get past their natural hair. So her natural hair is kind of long, so you're gonna keep wrapping flat to make sure her hair is covered. And then if you're good at wrapping, you can speed it on up. But y'all finna see me do this process for a while. So enjoy the video. Also, I meant to say, as you're wrapping down, once you get past the natural hair, you can loosen up just a little. It's similar to butterfly locks, but I'd rather the texture show towards the end than already starting near the natural hair. Like, I don't want the natural hair to show, so I wrap tightly and then eventually start to loosen up and just wrap through so that the texture of the lock that you're using to crochet through the hair will show. A lot of people do stop wrapping, period, once they get through once they pass the natural hair, but I wrap all the way through because also I think of it as a waste of hair. Why not use all the hair that you just brought to get in your hair? So I wrap all the way through and I wrap till I don't have any else thing to wrap. And also I tie a little knot. You can add glue, but I wrap until I have a good amount left, and then I tie a knot and I wrap a little, then I tie another knot, then I just continue wrapping, so that won't be so hard for her to take it out once she's ready to take it off. But you just wrap through all the hair. That's all the whole process is. Crochet the lock through, wrap all the way down. Alright, enjoy the rest of the video.
I like the bed to myself. Nobody stealing covers. I like to drink to myself. So I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to. I like to drive by myself, so I control the volume. I like to dance by myself, so I can do my own moves. No, I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to.
You guys, peep her advertising her drink. Okay, I'm good. I just had to say that word.
To myself, so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to. Someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody. Just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to. Somebody to talk to. I like to drive by myself, so I control the volume. I like to dance by myself. myself, so I can do my own moves. No, I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody, just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to, somebody to talk to talk to. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody, wanna have somebody that's cool. I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's cool, and it don't waste my time. Yeah, I just want somebody, just want somebody. I just want somebody to talk to, somebody to talk to drink to myself. So I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine. But sometimes I just want somebody to talk to, someone that's on my mind. I want something that's all cool.
So we have one last lock left, and it was a process, but the results was pretty. Soon I'm gonna show you guys the tech on how it should look wrapping before you get done with the natural hair compared to the ends when you finally see the texture. You see it shows, so and then eventually her hair will loosen up. Right now it's tight because you have to make sure the roots were secured, nothing slipping out. But here's her little video.
Hey y'all, I just want to say Nene just laid my hair. Let me show y'all. As she should, as she always do. Period. Who you know do a better job at locks than Nene? Let me know. Let me know. And when you find out, you let me know. Okay? But y'all let me know. Okay? Book her. Oh, she was right there the whole time. Book her. Because you see the parts neat. See that? Yeah, see that? I know she gonna look at her phone like, when is girl make this video? But in this lovely seat, get your hair done up. And yeah, like just like that. Just like that. She about to go get my little rag. Let me show y'all the lens. Hey! But yeah. Now let me get off this phone. But y'all know what to do. Don't play with. It's my last video because then they're gonna kill me. But like I say, get into it. Let me give y'all one more look. Hey. Yeah, I was telling her that because
so I'ma have another no. I don't need a hand to hold tight. Don't need a love that's all mine.